is our Moore number 3 jig grinder. Chris is going to come in close, showing you original flakings where the head travels up and down. On this machine, it's hardened and ground ways, which are in nice shape. The table is still nice. Going to back up and turn this on. This brings the main control electric on the machine. This will bring our head feed. As you can see, the head moving up and down. This controls how fast. So if you move that, it's quicker or slower. This button will oscillate the head. We'll bring that on. There's your oscillation of the head. This will speed it up or slow it down. And then Chris will come in close. The next thing we'll do, this lever will bring on the spindle speed, or I should say the grinding head. And it's a 40,000 RPM head. And that's showing off functions of the Moore jig grinder. Thank you for watching our video.